Hello, in front of me I've got NISSAN X-Trail. In this video I'll show you tailgate and trunk features of this car. Let's start with remote tailgate opening. In order to open the tailgate remotely, press and hold last button on the key fob. You can close it the same way. Now, let's take a look. The tailgate has blind that we can set up like this. And we can also remove it by pressing button here. Inside the tailgate, at the floor, we can't find the spare tire, but we've got compressor, sealant, battery, Bose audio system, emergency triangle, and also lift and fire extinguisher. As you can see, we can remove two covers of the trunk to slightly extended capacity. The trunk also has additional drawers right here with the hooks. There are few hooks, 1, 2, 3, 4 inside the trunk, thanks to which you can attach your bags or any other belongings. On the left side here of the trunk we can also find additional space. We can hide something. Now, last thing in the trunk is the power outlet that is located on the left wall of the trunk. Thanks to this power outlet you can, for example, connect charger or travel refrigerator. Now, how to fold the seats? Right here, behind the blind, we've got two locks, left and right. Pull the lock upwards and you can fold the seat forward and even change the seat position. As you can see, the middle part of the seat has two cup holders. In order to eject it, take a look in the center of the car. Pull the string and it's done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe. Dobra, recenzja.